I'm Tim Giggy with Blattner Company, current chair-elect of the Association of Equipment Management Professionals. Today I'd like to discuss PM metrics as we had went through them in the comparator and how those KPIs may relate to various portions of your business. When we consider PM metrics, we are looking at the total preventative and predictive maintenance, we use PM and PDM for short, as a percent of maintenance hours. This is calculated by dividing the total PM PDM hours by total maintenance hours. We're also considering PM and PDM as a percent of work orders. This is taken by dividing all the PM and PDM work orders by the total maintenance work orders and looking at the percent corrective from PM and PDM, which would be our total corrective work orders identified through the PM and PDM's work orders divided by the number of PM and PDM work orders. A lot to say, a bit confusing, I know. That said, when you actually get through all the PMs and PDMs and the various acronyms involved, these are some very healthy metrics when we consider how effective our overall our PM program is in identifying issues before they start, getting ahead of those items before they're impacting our frontline operations, our customers, and our operations as a whole. We look at PM corrective from PDM. Of all our respondents, we see a 30% average within that. So we are seeing positive numbers within that as far as how many of our overall preventative work orders are being identified through our PM processes. So please consider these when looking at your business. Association of Equipment Management Professionals, A&P. We definitely provide education along all these topics. Trust me, we do not get into as many PMs and PDMs as are on this particular video. But these are all very, very good metrics to measure your overall success of your PM program and really, how that's going to help you move into the future and be effective in heading off repairs before they interrupt your production. Thank you.